Thanks, Snooks. Hold on, buddy. Let me get out of the aviary. Did this just move on you? Oh, this feels so good. Snooky absolutely loves it. How beautiful you are, little boy. Yeah, you tell us. You tell us how happy you are. So he grabs his beak with his foot when he's happy. That's a communication sign that he's been doing with us. He loves to do it. Now, if your birds are outside and you've got the mister on, just make sure that you are watching them, that they're not in direct sun, and that they also are not panting, because that is a sign that your bird is getting too hot. Snooky, he is just a water baby. What do you think? You want to play now? Look at you, sexy. All right, here you go, honey. Have fun. Thanks for watching, guys.